Hi everyone, welcome back to another meditation. My name is Alli. I'm a yoga and meditation instructor here in LA, and I'm excited to be here with you. So in today's practice, I wanted to talk a little bit about the mind. So of course we have this practice called meditation, and in meditation, some people think the idea is for us to completely clear our minds of even thinking, but in truth, that's kind of impossible because our minds are actually doing what it was created to do, is think, process, have feelings, have emotions, all of these different things. But what meditation can help us do, and there's so much research that proves that it helps, is to help us to calm the mind, to come back to the present moment when our minds are kind of going all over the place and we can't really stop and focus. And with more practice of meditation regularly, we'll find that it's easier to come back to the present moment. It's easier to learn how to get present or to notice when those negative thoughts or racing thoughts happen, to slow it down and to come back to right now. So in today's practice, we're going to do just that. We're going to allow ourselves to kind of jump into this relaxing the mind practice where we notice where our thoughts are and come back to the present moment by taking a breath and settle in. So we'll do it together. So when you're ready, let's go ahead and begin. Let's start by finding a comfortable posture, just as we normally would. And if it feels right for you, you can practice seated like I am, or you can lie down, totally up to you. Let your hands rest either on your lap or on some part of your body, whatever feels good. And we'll start our practice by taking 3 deep breaths. So when you're ready, let's take a deep breath in. And then exhale out. Let's try that 2 more times. So deep breath in. Soft breath out. Okay, once more, take another deep breath in. This time, hold it here at the top. Holding it for 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and exhale all the way out. And when you're ready, go ahead and close your eyes. Or you can take a low gaze where you're looking down towards the floor. And the invitation here is just take a couple moments, just breathe and notice what it feels like to be right here. Maybe take notice of your body. What does your body feel like? Do you have a lot of energy? Maybe shake your hands, wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, and then come into stillness. Notice the floor that's underneath you, or the chair, the cushion. And start to notice what it feels like to breathe. Maybe you feel your chest rising and falling when you breathe. And then take notice of your mind. Where are your thoughts right now? What are you thinking about? And we're not here to judge your thoughts or to make them bad or wrong or even good. But just be aware of what you're thinking about. Maybe it's a text message, a conversation you had with a friend. Maybe it's what you're going to have to eat at your next meal. And for a moment, invite yourself to come back to this present moment by focusing your attention on your breath. Noticing what it feels like to inhale. And what does it feel like to exhale? So just paying attention to one breath at a time. In this practice of watching the breath, we're giving our mind the opportunity to take a break for a moment. To let go of the thinking and the doing. And instead, we're inviting ourselves to just be with what's happening. The inhale and the exhale. And as you're breathing and noticing your breath, each time you start to remember a thought that pops into your head, or you find yourself distracted, to not be so hard on yourself, but to remind yourself that's okay. My brain is doing exactly what it was created to do. It's just thinking. And once you notice that, take another breath and focus your attention right back on your breath. So we're allowing the mind to let go, to relax, and to be right here. When you notice those distractions come up again, come right back to the breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhaling in, exhaling back out. So in these last few minutes of our practice, I want you to take a moment to just notice what it feels like to be right here. Without any plans, just allowing yourself the opportunity to breathe, to relax your mind. And before we come out of this, I want to invite you to take one deep breath in. And when you're ready, slow exhale out. Start to wiggle your fingers and your toes. And slowly begin to open your eyes. Notice what it felt like to just slow down for a moment. To give yourself a moment to just pause and to be right here. And so as I mentioned at the beginning, the more we practice, like kind of slowing down and jumping into the mind, we'll find ourselves able to kind of rest a little bit, to relax, to let go a little bit more. There's so much research that proves that meditation can really help to, relieve stress, to support with focus, and to bring you back to the present moment. So I hope you use this practice as much and as often as you need to help you to relax your mind and to come back into right now. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I will see you soon. Take care.